Hello guys, so in this video I will tell you that how to repost an Instagram story. So there is a limitation on this that if you want to repost a story then you must be tagged in it. Okay, so one of my friend actually posted a story here, and he mentions me in his story here. So as you can see that here it is saying that one story mentions you, so I will just tap on it. Okay, and now here you can see add this to your story. I will just tap on it, and now you can basically add this, and now I can basically add this to my story as well. Okay, so now if I want, I can actually like add text and add something that I want, and then I will tap on like your story here. Okay, so there is a limitation on this. Okay, so if you want to repost a story, then you must be tagged in it. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.